Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us today for what is another major milestone in the 65-year history of our family-owned company.
1/3 of all machines sold worldwide last year are skid steers or mini excavators. And in North America, it's even more. That's half of all machines sold are skid steers and minis. Now, these are markets that we cannot ignore, and we have to get very active and compete aggressively in each one of them. And today, we launch a new generation of skid steers, the culmination of a $40 million investment program. And tomorrow, we start the sales effort for market share growth, and that's the part that you play. That commences the real journey to success.
We listen to you, our dealers, and your customers about what you thought were the most important features that we needed to have on these new machines. The best skid steer in the world. Designed and built right here in Savannah, Georgia. Are you ready? Yeah. Are you really ready? Yeah. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Today we give you the new generation JCB skid steer. What do you think? Delivered you a swing-away door, group service points for daily maintenance. Well, that's not all. We've also delivered a tilt-up hood, easier access to the top of the machine, and the entire cooling package. And all your technicians and service guys are going to love it. We have to have access to the major components of the machine, the heart and business end of this machine. Look at this. We delivered you a tilting cab. What do you think about this? Everybody wanted this. Look at this.
Well, News 3's Joanne Merrigan has a special Getting Us Back to Work report about a company that has worked to reinvent itself. Joanne?
Yeah, that's right, Russ. 2 years ago, JCB was laying off workers, about 220 in total at its Pooler manufacturing plant. Today, though, the company president said the news was a lot more exciting for him and the community, promising that the jobs lost are coming back.
You heard all about the features and the benefits of these machines, tremendous maneuverability.
JCB made a big deal out of unveiling a new range of products. It's a skid steer loader, which promises to bring new life to the company and new jobs to the community.
Nick Paradise is on the story. Nick, what inspired these companies to invest in Chatham County?
Well, Ashley, both Mitsubishi and JCB are international companies, so the short trip to the port of Savannah plays a big factor. And JCB is building a product that's hugely popular here in the U.S.
They plan to start manufacturing their first customer orders on Monday and say they already have enough orders to take them through at least February.
JCB starts a new era in pooler with a bang as they show off their heavy-duty skid steer and compact track loader vehicles. Used mainly for landscaping, farming, and road work, they were designed and built exclusively in the USA.
We've built an engineering team here. We've, from a clean sheet of paper, designed a product, recruited engineers here in the state of Georgia from most of the local institutions.
Now, Panderson says the good thing about this product is that it will be exported worldwide from Savannah, from the ports. He says that will give them the benefit of a worldwide market. Joanne Merrigan, WSAV News 3.